Hello again, folks. Welcome back. Today is a special day. It is yet another parcel day, and that is from a good friend of mine, Mr. Dan Blackler, formerly known as the Lockpicking Donkey. He's recently taken his YouTube down for work purposes, but yeah, great picker. I think Parky won his 100 subs giveaway actually, so yeah, small world and all that. But anyway, back to the issue. Parcel day. He's been very, very kind to me, and he's made for me and sent me this. What is it he says? It's a lovely hoodie with none other than Alan's old business, UK Lockpickers logo, proudly emblazoned across the middle. So I shall wear with this with pride. Obviously, it means so much to me. Obviously, as you know, he was a bit of a friend as well as just someone I did business with, both having COPD and all that. So this means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much. And on top of that, as if that wasn't enough, let's just put these here. He's even chucked in a few locks, which is always a beautiful thing. So we've got this made in Spain Linz padlock there. Let's have a look at the key. Does it have a key? Yes, we do have keys. It's got some lovely bitting on the key. And quite a nice satisfying pop to it too. Sprung shackle, sprung core. So that's going to be lovely to play with. Thank you so much. And also, I've an Eva. I've never had the pleasure of picking an Eva before. I expect it to be quite a challenge. Our friend Paul Spring calls it Evil Eva every time. So that'll be interesting. That's for Keyway. Very cool. Thank you again. And finally, he sent this lovely lever lock. There we go. There's a keyway. So here's the bit on that. 1, 2, 3. There's a few levers in there by the looks of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly 6, 7. I don't know. We'll have to see. But that's also as well. Use the key. Throw the bolt. There we go. Oh, we've even got a training window. So that's cool as well. Love it. Love it. So, yeah. Thank you ever so much, Dan, my friend. Pleased you're happy with what I sent you as well. But this really has made my year so far. You are a legend indeed. So that's it for now, folks. Until next time, look after yourselves, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.